in the mind, faith in the words, pride in our souls. Let's salute the nation on this Independence Day. Independence Day is one of the honorable celebration of the nation. Today, everyone from one part of our country to another part is chanting slogans of Jai Bharat Mata with great spirit and energy. It is indeed the spirit of freedom and love for the land, but we all know this freedom is hard-earned. There are countless struggles, priceless sacrifice and efforts of our great leaders. Freedom is a gift. It is a gift of sacrifice, sleepless night, brutal tortures and struggles did by our forefathers. History is an open chapter. It tells us about the sacrifice of our forefathers for this land. In British India, we all were under chains. Our rights were compromised. We felt suffocated. Our social, political and economic conditions were very bad. And in the end, it was not an honor for the Indians to live under slavery of foreign forces. Slavery is a curse. The condition of our nation was not better than this. History tells us the horrific miseries and agonies our great leaders suffered at the hands of British. What is the situation of those nations who are still slaves today? We should be thankful to our leaders who had realized it. We have to fulfill the promise that we have been doing with our land. It is indeed we have got freedom from the foreign yokes, but still there remains a lot to be done. We have to fight against all the social and economic issues at present. Apart from all of these problems, our country has many good things to offer. We are a nuclear power country. We have a large and brave army. Our borders are protected and our enemies fear us. We are the world's largest democracy of free and happy people. We are politically powerful, economically strong and militarily advanced. Being the youth, we are the future of our nation for tomorrow. We need to look at the problems and find the solution immediately. We have to be united. As our great leader said, the future depends on what we do in present. Therefore, we have to utilize our today for a better tomorrow. Dear friends, in unity there lies the strength. Therefore, we have to be united. We have to make the commitments today that we shall never allow any harm to our land. We have to make every effort to make our country powerful and honorable in the world. Let's unite, let's work hard and tell our every friends and foes alike. Jai Hind. Freedom in the mind, faith in the